Beyond dualism, which this is called in Sanskrit Paravidya, Apara and Para. Now we are in Apara, dualism. So here goes chapter number 13 and shloka read Idam Shariram Kaunteya. Idam Shariram Kaunteya Kshetra Mitya Bhidhiyate Etadyo Veti Tam Prahu Kshetragya Iti Tadvida. I beg your pardon, I am not so good at Sanskrit. So the meaning is, Sri Bhagavan said, the body Arjuna is termed as the field, it means kshetra, and he who knows it is called the knower of the field by the sages discerning the truth about both. So, knower of this field and this field, the body is termed as a kshetragya, this field, and the knower of the field is called, we are striving for the Almighty, the soul. So here the message goes, to know it. One who knows the kshetragya, one who doesn't know about the kshetragya, even the anatomy, oh, don't claim yourself to be a Kundalini awakened person. Oh, so first introspect yourself. How much I know about this kshetragya, kshetragya and kshetra. So another kshetra. Now, how we go introvert and from where the journey starts after beyond dualism. Kshetragya Chapi, this is shlok number 2, chapter number 13. You go right now to Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita rather. Kshetragyam Chapi Mam Vidhi Sarva Kshetreshu Bharata Kshetra Kshetragya Yor Jnanam Yatadya Jnanam Matam Mam. The meaning, you know. Focus on the meaning it. This is know myself to be the kshetragya, individual soul. I mean, in all the kshetragya fields, Arjuna, it means in all the fields, all the bodies, it is the God Himself, kshetragya. So, and it is the knowledge of kshetra and kshetragya, the knowledge of both, you know, of this body and the knower of matter with the evolute and the spirit. This body is a matter and evolutes in spirit, which I consider as wisdom. So in short, the God says the wisdom is to know, have the knowledge of the kshetra. Kshetra means body and the knower. This is called wisdom. So now let's check. Now let's introspect ourselves. We talk of yoga, we talk of samadhi, we talk of so many things, but now we talk of Kundalini awakening. I talk why the yoga has been given, has reached its distorted, form. Forget about the rarest of the rare yogic kriyas which yogis do, as your brother and the Himalayan yogis, Devraha Baba, and the Naga Babas, those who are following celibacy. That is, Khechari, Vajroli, as Vivek Rinpoche in the dark retreats, Buddhist monk. That's why I say, Westerners, follow the gem. Follow the gem. At least if we are not yogis, we must lead to the right persons in the Himalayan ranges. Naga Babas, lineage Devra Baba, so many, Dhirendraji and number of, of course, Ramdevji is also doing for the world. Like this, let's lead. So, Vivek Rinpoche, again I lead you here. In the dark retreat, without being victorious on senses, you cannot even know yourself. Forget about others, leading others. So, Vivek Rinpoche, join him. Oh, being a yogi me. No doubt I have mastered the certain kriyas which take you directly to the samadhi. It's no egoism. If you have done your PhD, it's nothing wrong in declaring it. If you are a surgeon, you put your name on the board. Surgical specialist. So again I lead you. This is first, come to Kartar Asra Old Age Home. Bibacharan Kamalji happens to be the director of all this whole, this. You can see the panoramic view. Here, jungle all around. The Baba Prithpalji and Gurdwara Sahib, bravery, I can again say, bravery, fortitude, valor, sacrifice go hand in hand. Join us, and here we'll take you to America, we'll take you to Bali, those who are the deserving one. But first do headstand, ask together with me. Then Noli Kriya. Oh, let's take yoga out of the marsh of this deformity, distorted form. So let's, before taking others to the Kundalini awakening, here comes the point. Do I know everything about the anatomy? Kshetra? No. If I don't know, I am not a wise man. So here, as the Gita says, nobody can challenge. Gita has nothing to do with any particular religion. It's knowledge, sure. Oh, join again. Go to the YouTube now. Oh, birds of a feather flock together. So yogis, we welcome selected few. Vek Rinpoche. Right now, go on the YouTube. Put Vek Rinpoche. You'll find me, other yogis, and join him in the dark retreat. Experience samadhi in this birth and in this Kartar Asra old age home. Learn, all in the company of these doctors, medical specialists, how to leave your body at your own will. We are here. Om Namah Shivaya. Jai Mahakal. Satnam Shivaya Guru Ji Ka Khalsa. Shivaya Guru Ji Ki Fateh. Be a sing, be a tire. To cross the mundane existence of this mortal world, being a jackal, you cannot cross this jungle of ignorance. Om Namah Shivaya. Jai Mahakal.